you wear multiple hairs on Roblox? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then simply search for BT Roblox. Open this Chrome extension. Now tap on Add to Chrome. Select Add extension. After the extension is added, go to your Roblox homepage. Now tap on the menu bar, then go to Profile. After that, what you will have to do is go to Avatar. Now, from here, you will be able to select multiple hair or multiple icons. Simply go to Hair and Body, then go to Hair. Now, you will be able to select many at once. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.